The exercise that I'd like you to do when you get home, I mean, I'm sure you have a basketball at home, right?
Yeah.
Right. So what we have been doing this morning is that we've just been looking at how you make contact with the ball as you swing your club. So while we're going to encompass everything that we talked about, keeping your head down, right, being in a semi-squat situation, where you're moving your body from right to left, which is the fundamental motion of a golf swing. So this is the exercise that I want you to practice when you start getting it home. You can do it this evening, and the idea is to get it as often as you can, and I'd say you count up to 20 doing the same motion. So you take a chair, so imagine this is a chair, and you put your, excuse the expression, but your butt cheek, right? And you make sure that you're touching. I hope the chair is not this low though, but just for example situation. And then you take your basketball, you hold it in your arms, and you, on your backswing, you rotate. And what you will notice is that my right butt cheek is still touching the chair. And then you swing through. And as you swing through, my left butt cheek is touching the chair. And that is the fundamental motion of a golf swing. Because what happens is that you got a club, and that's why we hold the basketball. You got the club, and you're moving from back, and your hips are rotating. So at all point, they're not swaying, but they're rotating. Exactly, and that's what we want. And then as you move with the basketball, that's the motion you're going to be attaining. And then you finish up upright, your full body towards the target. And the basketball is going to be here. All right? And that's a motion that I want you to practice. And then hopefully we can meet up, I don't know, Tuesday or whenever you're available, so that we can see that fluid motion. And then you'll begin to see how easy it is to make a golf swing, because you're getting into that motion of getting there. You see? And during that motion, when you're doing it, remember, both feet flat. You should be able to feel your heels, not your toes. But as you rotate, you're going through. That's when you follow through, and your body will automatically adjust. So that's what I'd like to leave you with. That's the drill I'd like you to do. I can either send Dominic, because I have his email. I can send him an email where I can actually give him the drill. And you do that 15, just as relaxed, watching, even if you're watching TV as you're standing, and you do that 15 times, and you take a breather. Do it again 15 times with a basketball in your hands, because that keeps your hands in motion, because they're one. Keeps your body stable, and you just want to be comfortable. Just rotating and letting you yourself rotate, and the chair has to be along the butt cheek. Ideally, and that's all you have to do. And we'll see the drastic improvement when we come next time. All right.